Horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Dog. The dog is domesticated descendant of the wolf. Cattle. Cattle are large domesticated cloven-hoofed herbivores. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized omnivorous mammals. Cow. Cow are important domesticated animal that provides meat and milk. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Goat. A goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species. Ham. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Sheep. Sheep are ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Cow. Cow are important domesticated animal that provides meat and milk. Horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Cattle. Cattle are large domesticated cloven-hoofed herbivores. Dog. The dog is domesticated descendant of the wolf. Sheep. Sheep are ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species. Ham. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal.